Hello to all of my students. It is Friday, Virtual Learning Friday, and a lot of you are at home doing what you need to do or not doing what you need to do. And I am here prepping and doing work and going through your grades. And I'm noticing a trend as I'm almost done doing grades, and the trend is that most of you are not signing on and doing your work. And this includes kids that I have face to face. So, if you are signing on and looking at what I'm giving you and you're choosing not to do it, I highly recommend you send me an email about why I should go easy on you and not fail you for not even attempting to do my work. I will be grading y'all harder in the third marking period. There are no excuses for why you're not doing my work. My work is easy. It's not rocket science. Your first project was to create a superhero of your own imagination that you got to make all the decisions on. There were no wrong answers for that. It's entirely up to you what you get to create. And the bulk of you did nothing. Take 20 minutes out of your day to be creative. It's not that hard. Take a minute to give yourself a brain break from math and science and all that other stuff and be creative. You can do it, and it'll actually help you with learning your other work if you give your brain something else to think on. So put down the TikTok, put down Among Us, put down doing some other work for a few minutes, and take even an hour out of your week to put something together. Because one of my mottos is something is better than nothing. So if you turn in something to me, that is better than nothing. Because nothing, and I'm even nice, I'm nicer than the other teachers. A 0 in my class is a 50, okay? So if you see a 50, it means you've done nothing, but I'm still being so nice to you that I am giving you a 50 instead of a 0 to help get your grade up. So a lot of you right now have a 65, or like a 69 or a 70, and you're just not cutting it. And I'm not okay with that. It's so many of you that I don't have the time to call every single one of your parents. And that is a shame. Frankly, if you're doing this with my class, it makes me concerned as to what you're doing with the classes that you need to be passing in to move on. Maybe y'all shouldn't be moving on next year. I don't know. But like I said, the work that you've had so far for me has been easy. Creating a superhero is easy. Doing a scavenger hunt on Google where all you have to do is type in theater superstitions about and find out some information and copy and paste it for me is easy. Coming up in the next few weeks, the work is going to get harder, okay? So I need y'all to start doing your work. This is the work you should be doing to help bump your grade up so that when the harder stuff comes, you have that buffer and way to get your grade up. So, like I said, if you have a really good excuse for why you're not getting your work done for me, like maybe you're stuck having to watch your siblings, or maybe you're sharing a computer with like 3 other people all day long and so you don't have enough time. Y'all got to communicate with me because I don't know. And if you don't tell me why you're being lazy or why you're not getting your work done, then I just assume that it's because you're choosing to not do it because you're choosing to not care. And I know that's often not the case, but I don't know that until you talk to me and tell me what is going on. And I am more than willing and more than happy to give grace. Those kids out there that have had family that have had COVID, or if you've had COVID and you've communicated with me, you can attest to the fact that I have let you off the hook when it comes to grades for me. I've given you the time to make up your work for your other classes. But again, you got to communicate with me. I cannot just assume that you're all out there struggling and call it a day and just pass you all. Okay? I know y'all are struggling, but I also know that you're all capable of doing the work that I am giving you in some capacity. Maybe you don't have the ability to record or take pictures of your work. Okay, let me know and we can come up with something else for you to do for me. Okay? Please do that. Please talk to me. I know I'm terrible at Zooms and I'm terrible at keeping track. I got a lot of you and it's a lot of work and I'm sorry. But I am here for all of you. And if you just tell me what's going on, I can be there for you. Okay? But if you don't tell me, then I don't know. And, yeah. And as for my kids that are face to face that are coming in and choosing to not do your work, I don't know what your excuse is. I really don't. So, yeah, please take the weekend and the next week or so to think about the choices you're making and reflect on the grades that you have in your class and send me a message.